Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's class we will learn about multiplication. Yes, in multiplication the first topic is multiplication of 4-digit numbers. In the previous classes we have studied about the method of multiplying 4-digit number by a single digit number. Let us extend the same method to learn about the multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. What are they saying here children? In your previous classes you have learnt about how to multiply a 4-digit number with 1-digit number. Yes. So in the same way in today's class let us learn about how to multiply a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number. Let us look at this example 1. A solar lamp costs rupees 1589. Let us find out the cost of 15 such solar lamps. Yes children, now when such a question is given, what do? We multiply, right? One lamp is 1589 and we need to find out the cost of 15 lamps. So we'll multiply 1589 into 15. Yes. Now let us look at the multiplication part. Now you already know how to multiply one digit. You need to start multiplying from the ones place. 1, 5, you are having 15 here, right? So start multiplying with 5. 5 nines are 45. 4 carried, 5 written here. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. So 4 here, again 4 carried. 5 fives are 25. Yes, 25 plus 4, 29. 9 here. 2 carried, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Clear children? You already know this, yes, a single digit number. Now, apart from 5, we are having 1 at our tens place. So, now we will multiply the tens. See children, then we should write it in the next line, okay? So, in the first line, you have written whatever you got from multiplying the number by 5. Now we are going to the next number here, right? Next digit, that is 1. So we need to go to the next line, okay? Now when we go to the next line, place 0 in the first place. First write 0. What should we do? First write 0 here. Then after writing 0, now start multiplying. 1 nines are 9. 1 eights are 8. 1 fives are 5. 1 ones are 1. Clear children? What did we do for the second digit? We wrote 0 in the first place and from after that we started multiplying. 1 nines are 9. 1 eights are 8. 1 fives are 5. 1 ones are 1. Clear children? This is just the same. The only difference is that we are writing 0 here. Now what to do? We need to add these two. Yes, from multiplication we got some answer, right? So we need to add those two. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 9. Keep 9 in mind. After 9 start counting. 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 fingers, right? 13. 3 here, 1 carried. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8. Keep 10 in mind. After 10 you have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, 1 plus 9, 10. So keep 10 in mind. After 10 you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now 10 plus 8 is 18. So 8 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is it children? 8 plus 5? 13. 3 here, 1 carried. Now lastly 1 plus 1, 2. Understood children? So what is the final answer here? Therefore, the cost of 15 solar lamps is 23,835 rupees. Now what are these solar lamps? We have lamps in our houses, right children? Lamp means any light. Now the light which runs through the solar energy. We do not need electricity for it. It is run through the solar energy. That means the energy that comes through the sun. I hope this was clear. Now let us look at another example in which we are multiplying 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. See children, do not get worried looking at such big numbers. We know how to multiply. We know how to multiply 1-digit number. It is the same. No matter how many digits we have, it is the same. The only difference is here we add zeros, and after multiplying we add all the answers together to get our final product. Now what is product? See, what term did I use here children? Product. Product means the answer that we get from multiplication. Yes, when we add two numbers, what is the answer called? Sum. Very good. When we subtract two numbers, what is the answer called? Difference. Yes, in the same way, when we multiply two or more numbers, the answer is called as the product. Now coming to our multiplication part. What is the example here? If a wholesaler purchases 124 solar lamps, then find out their total cost. See here they have given that one solar lamp costs 1589 rupees. Yes. Now what we need to do here is we need to find out the cost for 124 lamps. What will our first step be? The cost of one solar lamp is equals to rupees 1589. So the cost of 124 solar lamps is equal to 1589 into 124. This is the number of lamps we are purchasing. Now here first multiply 1589 by the digit at ones place, then by the digit at tens place, and finally the digit at hundreds place. Yes. Now look at the multiplication here. Let us do it. 1589 into 124. What will be the first step? Start multiplying from the ones. 4 nines are 36. 6 here, 3 carried. 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 5 here, 3 carried. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 3 here, 2 carried. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Clear children? This you know how to do. Now coming to our second digit, that is 2. Yes. Now what did I say? We should write it in the next line. But before we start multiplying, place 1 0. Now after 0, 2 nines are 18. 8 here, 1 carried. 2 eights are 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. 7 here, 1 carried. 2 fives are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 here, 1. And lastly we have 2 ones are 2. Yes, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, that has been carried forward. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Dear children, we have done the ones place and tens place. Now we need to do the hundreds place. We need to multiply 1, which is in hundreds place, with 1589. Now if you look at this, after 2 we are having one digit. How many digits children? One digit. So we placed 1 0 here. Now after 1, how many digits are we having? 2 digits. Yes. So how many zeros should we place? 2 zeros. In the new line, how many zeros should we place? 2 zeros. Understood? Now let us start multiplying. 1 nines are 9, 1 eights are 8, 1 fives are 5, and 1 ones are 1. Clear children? What are these? After multiplying all the three, that is ones, tens and hundreds, we will add. 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 0 is again 13. So 3 here, 1 carry. Now here 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, what is it? 11. And then 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. So what do we do? 0 here and 2 carried. Yes. Now coming to the next place, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8 is how much children? 17. 7 here, 1 carried. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So writing 9 here, and lastly we have 1. What is the answer? 1,97,036. Yes, 1,97,036. Now what is this? This is rupees 1,97,036. That is the cost of 124 solar lamps. Clear, children? This was multiplying a 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. Now moving on to multiplying by a 4-digit number. If the wholesaler purchases 3,124 lamps, find the total cost. Yes, here what was given, children? The cost of one lamp is 1,589. Now for this, what should we find out? We should find out the cost of 3,124 lamps. Now how many digits does this number have? 4. And what is the cost of one lamp? 1,589. Now this also has 4 digits. So what are we doing here? A 4-digit number multiplied by another 4-digit number. Let us multiply now. 1,589 into 3,124. Yes. Now starting from the ones place. 4 nines are 36. 6 here, 3 carried. 4 8s are 32 plus 3 becomes 35. 5 here, 3 carried. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 becomes 23. So 3 here, 2 carried. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Yes, children, what did we get on multiplying with 4? 6,356. Now moving on to the next digit, which is 2. Yes, so we are going to a new digit. So we will do the multiplication in a new line. And after 2 we are having only one digit. So we'll place 1 0. Yes. Now 2 nines are, let us start multiplying. 2 nines are 18. 8 here, 1 carried. 2 8s are 16. Then plus 1 becomes 17. So 7 here, 1 carried. 2 5s are 10. Plus 1. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. 1 here, 1 carried. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 which has been carried. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Yes, children, that is what we are writing here. 3. Now what was this multiplying? 2 with 1,589. Now let us move to the third digit. What is the third digit? 1. Yes, now again a new digit. So we'll multiply in a new line. Now after 1 we are having 2 digits here. So we'll keep 2 zeros. Now let us start multiplying. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1, 1. Yes, children? Yes, 1 into anything, any number will give us the number itself. Now coming to the last digit, 3. Again new line. Now after 3 we are having 1, 2, 3 digits. So we'll place 3 zeros. Now let us start multiplying. 3 nines are 27. 7 here, 2 carried. 3 8s are 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2 becomes 26. 6 here, 2 carried. 3 5s are 17 plus 2 becomes 19. 9 here, 1 carried. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Yes, children. Now we will add them all. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 0 is again 13. 3 here, 1 carried. Let me erase this, that what we have added previously. Yes, so that we'll have space to write the additions. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. And 20 plus 0 is again 20. 0 here, 2 carried. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. And 17 plus 7 is 24. 4 here, 2 carried. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 6 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 1 here, 1 carried. Lastly, 4 plus 1 is 5. Yes, children, what is the final answer? 51,64,036. Now this is how we multiplied a 4-digit number with another 4-digit number. Now let us look at how to multiply a 5-digit number. Yes, till now we have learnt about 4-digit numbers. Now let us learn how to multiply a 5-digit number. First is how to multiply a 5-digit number by a single digit number. Yes, here we are having only a single digit. Now the cost of, in the example, the cost of one horse carriage, this is not ours, this is horse. The cost of one horse carriage is 12,459 rupees. Now let us find out the cost of 5 such horse carriages. What should we find out? The cost of 5 horse carriages. First let us write the information given. The cost of one horse carriage is equal to rupees 12,459. Now the cost of 5 horse carriages becomes what? Yes, the cost of one carriage into the number of horse carriages we are purchasing, that is 5. 12,459 into 5. Now let us look at how to multiply it. 12,459 into 5. Yes children, this is a very simple multiplication here. Just how we multiply a 1-digit number with a 4-digit number, the same rule is to be applied. Starting from the ones place, 5 nines are 45, 5 here 4 carried, 5 fives are 25, plus 4 becomes 29. Yes, how did this 4 come? Here we have carried, right? So that is the 4. 9 here 2 carried, 5 fours are 20, plus 2 becomes 22. 2 here 2 carried, 5 twos are 10, plus 2 becomes 12. 2 here 1 carried, 5 ones are 5, plus 1 becomes 6. What is the final answer children? 62,295. Clear? Yes. First multiply the ones by tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Yes, and carry forward if required. Yes, the digit we have multiplied with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, and we have carried forward whenever it was required. Now how to multiply a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number? Yes children, the same. Yes, the same 5-digit number. What happens when need to multiply it with a 2-digit number? The cost of 12 horse carriages can also be found by multiplying the cost of one horse carriage by 12 directly. Yes, in the previous example, the cost of one horse carriage was given as 12,459. Now how did we find out the cost of 5 carriages? We multiplied the cost of one carriage with 5. Yes, in the same way, when we need to find out the cost of 12 horse carriages, we need to multiply the cost of one horse carriage by 12. Clear children? Now that is what we will do here. In order to multiply a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. Yes, this 12,459 is what? Is our 5-digit number. We are multiplying it with 12, which is our 2-digit number. Yes, when we are multiplying, then multiply the 5-digit number by ones and then by the tens of the 2-digit number. See, first we multiply this 5-digit number by the ones, by the number 2, which is in the ones place. Then we multiply it with the digit in the tens place. Then what do we need to do? Then add the partial products. See children, here what does product mean? See, when we add two numbers, two or more numbers, what is the answer called? The answer is called as the sum. In the same way, when we subtract two or more numbers, what is the answer called? The answer is called as the difference. Yes. Now in the same way, when we multiply, when we multiply two or more numbers, the answer will be called as the product. In the question, if they ask you find the product of 12 and 7, what should you do? You should multiply 12 by 7. Yes. So that is what they are saying here. Partial products. Now why is it called as partial? Partial means which is not complete, which is not fully completed yet. Yes, suppose if 5 questions were given to you as homework and you have done only 3 questions, that does not mean that you did not do your homework completely. It means that you have done your homework partially. Means what? Partially means only a part of it. It is not the complete answer. So here this is not the final answer of our multiplication, right? This is not the partial product. So this is not the final product. It is only a partial product. When we add these two partial products, we will get our final product. Now let us start multiplying. 12,459 multiplied by 12. Yes children, how do we start? We start from the ones place. 2 nines are 18. 8 here, 1 carried. 2 fives are 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. 1 here, 1 carried. 2 fours are 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 2 twos are 4 and lastly 2 ones are 2. Yes. Now coming to the next digit 1. A new digit, so a new line. Now after 1 we are having only one digit, so we'll place 1 0 here. Yes. Now why did we not place 0 in the first line? See children, we were having 12, right? So after 2 there are no digits, so we placed no zeros. And here after 1 we are having one digit, so we are placing 1 0 here. Now 1 nines are 9, 1 fives are 5, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2 and lastly 1 ones are 1. Yes, these are our what? These are our partial products. These are called products because we got them by multiplying, and partial because these are not the final answers. Now again, how to start adding? From the ones place. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 9, 10. Now 10 plus 5 becomes 15. So 5 here, 1 carried. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 2, 4 and lastly 1 here. What is the final answer? 1,49,508. Yes children, this is our final answer. Therefore, the cost of 12 horse carriages is rupees 1,49,508. I hope this was clear how to multiply a 5-digit number with both a 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. Now multiply the following numbers. See, this is an exercise here. Okay, this is an exercise. I will choose any 2 problems and explain. Okay children, remaining you can try. See, this kind of, let us take a 4 into 4. 4-digit into 4-digit number. Okay. 2005 into 6662 into 6662. Now start multiplying with what? With 2. 2 fives are 10. 0 here, 1 carried. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4. Now coming to the next digit 6. So in a new line, after 6 we are having one digit. So placing 1 0. Now 6 fives are 30. 0 here, 3 carried. 6 zeros are 0 plus 3 becomes 3. 6 zeros are 0. 6 twos are 12. Now again 6. Now again in a new line. So after 6 we are having 2 digits. So placing 2 zeros. Again the same children. See, this is what we have got by multiplying, right? By multiplying 6 with 2005. Now here again we need to multiply 6 with 2005. So we can write the same here. 0, 3, 0, 2, 1. 12,030. Yes. Now again we are having 6 into 2005. Now first place 3 zeros. Why? Because after 6 we are having 3 digits. Now after that again write the same 12,030 here. Okay. If you don't want to write like this, you can even multiply it again and check whether what I have said is right or wrong. See. Let us multiply and check. Okay. 6 fives are 30. 0 here, 3 carried. 6 zeros are 0 plus 3 becomes 3. 6 zeros are 0. 6 twos are how much? 12. Yes children, that is what we have got, right? 12,030, 12,030, 12,030. Because we are multiplying the same number with 6 here. There is no change in the number being multiplied. Now let us add our partial products. All zeros. So the sum will also be 0. 1 plus zeros 1. Now 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 0 is again 7. 2 plus 0 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 5 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is again 3. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 and lastly 1 here. What is the final answer? 1 crore 33 lakhs 57,310. Yes children, that was for question number 5. Clear children? Now let me explain you another one as well. Okay, let us take this 14,527. 14,527 into 24. Now this is a 5-digit number multiplied with a 2-digit number. How do we start multiplying? From the ones place, yes. So 4 sevens are 28. 8 here 2 carried. 4 twos are 8 plus 2 becomes 10. 0 here 1 carried. 4 fives are 20. Yes, 20 plus 1 becomes 21. So 1 here 2 carried. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2 becomes 18. 1 carried. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Clear children? Now coming to the next digit. Wait, let me erase this carry forwards first, or else we'll get confused. Yes or no? Yes. Now what should we do? We should multiply the digit in tens place. That is 2. With what? With 14,527. 2 7. See, but before multiplying children, what is the main point? After 2 we are having one digit. So place 1 0. Now let us start multiplying. 2 sevens are 14. 4 here 1 carried. 2 twos are 4. Plus 1 becomes 5. So 5. 2 fives are 10. 0 here 1 carried. 2 fours are 8. Plus 1 becomes 9. Lastly 2 ones are 2. Now what are these two called? These two are called as our partial products. Yes. Now let us add. 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 4 4. 1 plus 5 6. 8 plus 0 8. 5 plus 9 14. 1 carried. 1 plus 2 3. Now 3,48,648 is our answer. Clear children? What did we do? We solved question number 5 and question number 18. I think you can try out the remaining problems, yes? Yes children, with this we have come to the end of our class. What did we learn today? We learnt about multiplication. Yes, multiplication of what? Multiplication of 4-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. And also we have learnt how to multiply 5-digit numbers by 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. Yes, if possible children, try out the questions that I have been given. Now I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving